Well, welcome to the week 13 lecture. The end is almost here. This week, again, we're just working on drafting and creating the final projects, the memo, the section, document you choose. Again, why did you choose it? What are you going to do? Don't forget to create a sample of this document, okay? Not for today, but you should be working on these. Okay, in the appendix, remember it's a Gemini source and your discal reflection. Again, I keep saying this because Project 3 serves as the final, no late submissions, resubmissions, or extensions. Nope, it's due when it's due on May 11th. Okay, since we're not going to be doing formal peer reviews on this project, I've added extra credit links on the homepage. And you can schedule and work with the writing consultants. I don't know if it's still just limited to twice a week or not. I haven't worked in the writing center in about 15 years. So you can get a hold of them and find out. For today, we'll read the lecture, draft your, choose your document, post your draft in the discussion forum, respond to a classmate with constructive feedback. Okay? Again, this is an important section because it's foreshadowing what you're going to be doing for the final project. Okay, and remember, Project 3 is due May 11th. This is a really short video. That's all we have going on. It's just writing and drafting. Like I always say, if you've got individual questions, email me or inbox me questions you think will help the entire class, then post them on the extra credit discussion.